How to make a clothing Shopify website. In this video, I will guide you step by step to create your own Shopify store. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. Create an account using your email and password. Step 2. Answer Shopify setup questions. Choose online store and then select fashion or apparel as your business category. Step 3. On your dashboard, click on Online Store and then Themes, and browse for free or paid themes. Select one that matches your clothing brand style. Step 4. Click Customize to adjust your homepage layout and add sections like a hero banner, featured collections, and testimonials. Step 5. Go to Products and then add product. Upload photos of your clothing, write product titles and descriptions, set pricing and inventory levels. Step 6. Create product collections like men's shirts or summer sale under collections for better navigation. Step 7. Set up payments under settings and then payments, and choose PayPal, credit or debit cards, or Shopify payments. Step 8. Go to your domains to connect a custom domain. You can buy one through Shopify or connect one that you already own. Step 9. Once everything is set, click Settings and then Launch Website. Then remove password protection to go live. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.